Welcome to Academy of Learning, Career College, North York. Web Designer Diploma. Are you passionate about technology and creativity? Do you dream of designing stunning websites that leave a lasting impression? If so, the Web Designer Diploma program at Academy of Learning Career College is the perfect opportunity for you to turn your passion into a rewarding career. The Web Designer Diploma program at Academy of Learning Career College is designed to equip you with the practical skills and in-depth knowledge you need to thrive in the dynamic world of web design. Become a professional web designer with the Academy of Learning Career College and start building stunning websites that leave a lasting impression. Working as a web designer involves a combination of creativity, technical skills, and user-focused design principles. The primary role of a web designer is to create visually appealing and functional websites that provide a positive user experience. Below are the main roles and responsibilities of a web designer. Enroll now and start shaping your future with the skills and confidence to succeed. Visit our website or contact us to get started today.